Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Synapse. For the past several months, in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that Synapse has formed on a weekly time frame chart. And this was the video that I shared almost 6 months ago with you when I was showing you that it is dropped at the support of a very big falling wedge pattern, approximately at 31 cents. And in those days, I was telling you that now we can expect a very massive bounce from the support of the wedge. Let me just show you what I told you in my previous videos. And recently, you can see that the price line is about to take another bounce from this support of the falling wedge pattern. And once the price line will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then the final target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $4.80 to $5. And now you can see that the price line has bounced very well from this support. And from here up till $1.96, we had a very massive pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 640%. And recently it is rejected by this long-term resistance of $2 that has been previously working as a support here back in the month of March 2022. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. You can see we got rejection here in the month of July 2022, then in the month of September 2022. Then this is the recent rejection that we have recently here in the month of March 2024. And after the rejection, the price line is dropped down at the support of this up channel. You can see that at the same time, it is also now moving inside this up channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move and we will also take a look at this very massive support of Ichimoku bearish cloud that recently it has broken out. Previously, it was working as a resistance and now it can work as a strong support. In fact, it is working as a strong support for the past several weeks. And at the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term support of 95 cents as well. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now again, it is working as a support. After the breakout, you can see it is flipped into a nice support. And we will also take a look at this, my recent trade signal that I shared a few days ago with my members on 1st of April 2024. And so far, this move has produced almost 46% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared on 1st of April 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Synapse completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss below $1.10. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost a 46% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And by the way, this signal I shared in the month of March 2024, on 2nd of March 2024. And this move was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 80% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Synapse. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern that I have been showing you in my so many previous videos for the past several months. You can see we found the resistance here in the month of April 2022. Then we had a very big drop, and we found the support here in the month of June 2022. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price then broke out the resistance of this wedge. And when we were testing this support here, in those days, I shared several videos with you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now after the breakout, you can see that the price line has rallied very well. And recently, you can see that it has formed another up channel. By the way, we are testing the resistance more than the support. However, this is a bearish bias pattern. Therefore, the probability for the breakdown is always there. But we also have very nice supports here. Like we have a very long-term support of 95 cents that had been previously working as a resistance here and support here. And now again, for the past few weeks, it is working as a support. At the same time, we also have this quite long-term support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. That was previously working at a very, very huge resistance, and now it is working at a nice support. And we also have the support of this channel. Therefore, it will be quite difficult for the price line of Synapse to break down the support of this channel. However, if it will break it down, then the technical target for the breakdown can be again here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at 28.5 cents. And in case of breaking out the channel, the target to the upside can be very, very big, by the way. The target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous videos was here at the top of the wedge. That can be approximately at $5. And if the price line breaks out this up channel, and for example, if we will have a breakout from here from $3.24, then the target to the upside can be between $9 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.